What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, if you're watching this right now, we're 3 days away from the FreddyLSX TruckFest, which is going down in Houston, Texas. The event starts on Saturday from 1 p.m. to about 12 at night. So make sure you guys get there early so you guys can get a good parking spot. We are having VIP spots and the racing spots for all the racers. So the earlier you get there, the better spot you will get, the better parking. So see you guys all there. And remember, we are doing the Burnout Pit. We are giving away this trophy and $500 to the person that has the best burnout. The Burnout Pit is going to start at 3, so if you want to get answered on the Burnout Pit, make sure to get there before 3 p.m. so you can fill out the sheet, and then whenever you're ready to do your burnout, you'll hand us that sheet. Scarface and Troqueando are going to be judging your burnout, and it will determine if you win this trophy or not. Also, on Thursday, we're announcing the winner of the 2 trucks. Stay tuned at 6 p.m. on my Instagram, guys. So enjoy the video, guys. If you're watching this right now, make sure to drop a comment, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's get to 500k subscribers on the YouTube channel. Estamos. Denme, boy. Ahora sí, vale, ¿dónde andamos?
Denme, boy. Andamos en San Jacinto City.
San Jacinto City, guys. I don't think it's... Oh, sí, sí. Guys, so we're over here with the setup. Why? Because Vargas is going to be doing a shock relocation.
Shock relocation.
On the Mamalona.
No, a little bit. ¿Cómo se dice?
More traction.
Traction.
So, guys, even though the transmission's messed up on it, we're still going to upgrade that before we fix the transmission. Now, he already talked to one transmission.
Yeah.
They should be working on a transmission for him. So after we take it back from here, from the setup, we're gonna be taking that one all the way to one transmission so they can replace it. Hopefully, it can make it for my event, March 25th, guys. This Saturday is going down FreddyLSX TruckFest at HMP. If you don't know the address, we're gonna put it right here and check it out. Vamos a ver. Mira, güey, aquí está la motor, güey.
We're on that crunch time. Oh, yeah, mírala.
Mira, güey. Dame, boy. C-nuts. Con madre.
Oh, ya tienen las Oh, estas también ya te las ven.
No, esas ya estaban así, güey. Cuando estaba el
líquido.
Vamos a ver qué dice Roman. ¿Qué onda, cuz? ¿Puro jale?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 2-door Tahoe? Hell
What's
yeah.
up, what's up?
¿Qué onda, ¿cómo anda?
Asusta. ¿Qué onda? Aquí nomás. ¿Qué onda, bro?
What you got going on, Roman?
4.6 IHC drop kit on this one. Y luego ya el alambrado de esta para sacarla ya.
Se ve que tienes chingo de jale, güey.
Oh, yeah. Pero pues como le dije a él, le dije, man, if it's something small, le dije, pues tráetela, le lo hacemos de volar. It's just a sharp relocation kit.
Yes,
So,
sir.
we'll do the front on this one, pull it out, and we'll put yours in here. Knock it out real quick. Yeah, para que quede ahora, para que te la lleves de volar.
Damn.
güey.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's something easy, por eso. It's just sharp relocation kit, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it today.
You got the shock relocation kit?
Yeah, we cut everything in.
Ah, okay.
¿Lo vas a
I don't
querer ajustable o lo vas a querer más que quede fijo?
¿Y los shocks tú los tienes?
No, pues él dijo que los tenía, ¿no?
Trae los orígenes ahorita.
Oh.
So ya.
Ahí nos vamos a meter en un problemita.
¿Oh, sí?
Yeah, so, entonces lo voy a hacer adjustable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, para que tú los puedas mover hasta abajo y para arriba. So ya cuando le cambies los otros, you can put whatever you want. Bueno, te preguntaba si los tienes fijos porque mucha gente dice, no, pues ahí se va a quedar, ya no lo vamos a bajar, déjala ahí. Y la hacemos así. Pero...
ajustable por si le metes una llanta más grande, güey. Ya, pues subirla más.
Ya, si le quieres subir, bajar, lo que tú quieras. También eso ayuda con el wheel hub y todo. So, like, entre más los estiras para abajo, pues más presión va a poner. So that'll be a good thing right there.
Listo.
Yeah, but we cut everything out right here. That's like the 3-link and everything for you. We got everything cut out. Everything se corta aquí, todo lo fabricamos aquí, todo. The only thing that we buy is the coilovers and the axles.
Okay. Well, let's get it unloaded, ¿vale?
It's on the trailer?
Yeah, it's on the trailer.
Okay, vamos a bajarla ahí, la dejamos en la entrada.
All right, Roman. So what you think?
So what, an 8-second truck or 9-second truck?
Easy 8 seconds, but he wants to keep it in the 9s.
Yeah.
La tiene bajita.
Sí, güey. So guys, he is gonna do a relocation kit, ¿verdad, Roman?
Yeah, shock relocation kit, adjustable, and I believe they're gonna bring some Viking shocks or might bring them later on. Pero lo que yo voy a hacer, se la voy a dejar adjustable with these shocks.
In case we drop it low or yeah.
In case he wants to go higher, drop it lower or whatever, he can adjust it right there. And I'll probably give him some extra ones that are a little bit longer too, in case he ever wants to go with the bigger shock. Ya más se los pone ahí que los ajuste todo.
Ya está. All right, guys, well, let's get this thing unloaded. Y ya se vete por Roman.
Una purecita de lo que
atreva.
Ahorita le metemos más impact, no pasa nada.
Ahí quedó la tank.
Hey, lo bueno que tiene underbed. Porque si tuviera así, no, el hambre hubiera sido un pedo, güey.
Man, boy, well there it is, guys. We leave it in good hands. Now we have to go to Speedy and pick up the white GMC so you guys can see how it looks with the new interior. Estamos going. For the people that want some work done, ¿dónde vienen?
10401 Market Street, right here in Jacinto City, Texas, 77029. Es Houston, Texas, pero le dicen Jacinto City porque es un pueblito.
Ajá.
Pero ahí cuando ocupen algo, lo que sea, or call me 832-988-9600. También.
Damn it, boy. There you go, guys. Van a ver el jale que le va a hacer a Vargas, va a quedar al mero 100.
1 hour later.
Damn it, boy, guys. So we ended up going to Speedy, but we came to pick up the green machine. Guys, we gotta get the green machine ready for my show this weekend. Like I was telling you guys, it's going down. FreddyLSX TruckFest. Damn it, boy. Van a hacer por arriba. Also, guys, we made a quick stop at Home Depot. Check it out. Oh yeah, more racks for the shop. Gotta get the shop looking nice for all the meats that we're gonna be having this year, guys. Okay.
Dime, boy.
El mamalón.
Mira,
Venimos a hacer el delivery por todos lados. Mira nomás, para este weekend, ¿quién se lo va a llevar?
¿verdad?
Está bien bonito.
¿Cómo lo veía?
Está bien bonito, está bien hechecito. El
con
chavo
madre,
ese que
calidad.
la hizo de Colorado, ¿cómo se llama?
Calidad. Amador Metal Designs. Muchas gracias, es el segundo que nos hace. Y la mera neta, los dos han estado con madre. Y lo bueno que lo cambió todo, o sea, para que no se mirara igual que el otro, y los colores y todo.
dice que está todo powder coat.
Está todo powder coated. Y pues, para que dure, para que no se haga raspar.
Se mira bien bonito. Sí, su buen trabajo.
Son buenos colores el vato.
Te voy a traer las botas.
Fíjate que las voy a traer para chainearlos, güey.
Sí, la ya le
No,
nosotras, ya le nosotras.
ya pusimos la orden. Ya me van a hacer esas son las punta picuda. Ya va a empezar las punta cuadrada.
Unas cuadraditas.
Y queremos que queden de otro colorcito. Pues, ¿para
Azulitas.
qué no? Azulita, ¿qué decir?
que
Aquí los voy a
combine.
dejar color original y estas sí las vamos a dejar azulitas.
Ya dije.
¿Cómo ves?
¿Para el escape?
Sí, para el escape. Vienes a patear, querer un jaripeo, a ver, para calarlas ahí, a ver qué onda.
¿Te imaginas una patada de las...
Bien sabroso.
Así nada.
Ahí viene.
Les va a dar gusto.
¡Vale!
meterse a ver si ganan o no.
Mira.
Damn, boy!
Acaba de llegar.
Holy macaroni, now that's a good looking trophy right there. That's trophy, boy. Guys, so Scarface nos trajo el trophy que va a ser para el Burnout King, the FreddyLSX TruckFest, ¿verdad, Scarface?
Part 2.
Part 2.
El primero fue sponsored by your boy Scarface. I was gonna actually sponsor this one too, and then our boys from Troqueando said, "Hey, can I get in it? Let me sponsor the next one." So this one's sponsored by Troqueando.
Damn it, boy, guys, remember, if you guys want to get entered for the Burnout Pit,
Yeah.
they had to check in with Scarface so he could get all your information. That way, last year le dimos los 500 al vato.
So it's gonna actually be. I'll have some of the sheets, and Troqueando's gonna have the sheets too. So you can either go to my tent, his tent, and sign up. You keep the sheet, and the time that you're coming into the pit, we'll grab that sheet, and that's how we'll know who's coming in and keep up with your score to see who takes it this year.
Oh, yeah, that's how you did it last year.
That's
huh?
how we did it last year. We
So
kept up with
that's
it.
how he knew the name and number,
Yeah.
and we called him, hey, you're the winner, come get your money and
Yep.
come get your trophy.
Y el vato estaba bien contento. He was actually here at your last meet. He brought the trophy, showing it off right here at your spot. And he was like, I want to take it again. And I was like, a la madre.
Se va a poner bueno.
Vamos a ver.
Damn
Nunca
it,
sabes,
boy.
nunca
Guys,
sabes.
so the winner of this doesn't only take the trophy, takes 500 cash.
500 cash, fíjate.
$500
Otro
in cash
pedo, va a estar
money.
con madre. Hell yeah.
Guys, this Saturday, gates open at 1.
At 1.
At 1. The weather's looking real good.
Ooh, the weather is looking nice.
0% rain. 0. Okay, so this is how we gates open at 1, but you guys should be there at 12. Gates open at 12.
Get in line.
Track goes hot from 12 to 3 is gonna be test and tune. At 3:30 p.m. is the drivers meeting. At 4 is gonna be the first round eliminations. Burnout Pit opens at 3 p.m. yeah, guys.
So the Burnout Pit, right before we open, we're gonna tell everybody just pull up about 2:30. We're gonna have a little meeting también, just to go over safety stuff. If you're coming out and you have a helmet, bring it. Because if not, you're gonna be passing around everybody's helmet. Some people didn't fit last time, but nobody brought a helmet, so nobody knew. So if you have a helmet, or if you can get yourself a helmet because the track requires it, get yourself a helmet so it could be your personal, you know, so you don't want to be sharing with everybody else.
Yeah.
If you don't mind, you know, if you don't mind wearing that old one or the used one, well, órale pues.
Yeah.
But if you want to have your own, because I'm bringing my own. I'm not gonna compete, but I want to go in there and, you know, put up a show for you guys, and I'm gonna bring my helmet this time.
That's right. So yeah, guys, this Saturday, like I said, gets open at 1. Be there at 12. Get in line and get entered. See you guys there. That's
¿A qué hora se acaba, Freddy? ¿Hasta qué hora vas a dar?
hasta que ya se acaban las carreras. So around 11, 12.
Va a estar bueno el pedo.
Va a estar bueno. Hasta que la última carrera, that's
Y
when it ends.
no se les va a olvidar felicitarlo. He's
yeah.
gonna be celebrating his birthday
That's
that
right.
weekend.
March 21st is my
Ya
birthday.
si no va a estar manejando ni nada, le traen un shot.
Voy a salir bien ahogado. Damn it, guys. So I made it back into the shop. I don't know if you guys seen on my Instagram, but I bought some racks. Check it out. I bought these. Bought those over there. And we went ahead, so I've been busy all day doing that, guys. But check it out. It looks really, really good. We got some racks right there. Now when you come to the store, you can see everything we got in stock. We got some tires. We also went ahead and put, let me show you guys. We went ahead and put some of these things to hang some grills. And then we put the other racks over here. So the thing I want to do is we put the hoods under the racks. We might add some lights right there. And then we got some tires up there. I want to get some racing seats and put them right here. Just so the shop could look really, really nice, guys. Check it out. We try to keep a lot of things in stock for everybody that's coming from out of town. Like I said, the show is this weekend. And then next weekend, it's April shootout. So for the people who are coming for my show, you can come in here, shop around, look nice, you know what I'm saying? And then for April shootout, we're gonna be open as well, guys. So if you didn't make it for my show, if you make it for April shootout, everybody's welcome to come. Project Tour, we are gonna be putting more stuff in stock so everybody can have a clear vision of what we have in stock here at Project Tour Garage. And I'm a little out of breath, guys. Me, Vargas, Danny, and JR, we were over here building all these racks, moving stuff around, and it's looking really, really good, guys. Drop a comment what you guys think of the shop. We invest a lot of money in putting stuff up and making it look nice and clean for you guys so you guys can have a good experience. We went ahead and put all the lighting that you guys see, the blue lights and stuff like that one right there. And also we did the surround sound. We got speakers here, we got speakers in the restroom, we got speakers outside, we got speakers in the shop. So we're trying to make it a good experience for everybody that comes from out of town and for everybody that's coming for the show. So we got the grill machine here at the shop. I'll go over there right now. We're gonna put it in. Vargas is gonna start working on it. We were supposed to pick up the OG today, but unfortunately we have no time. Pero let's go see what them guys are doing.